Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making a puff pastry pepperoni stromboli. The ingredients that you're going to need today are mozzarella cheese. You're going to need pepperoni, your favorite pizza sauce, 1 egg for egg wash, and also a roll of puff pastry. Okay guys, first you want to get all your ingredients separated into bowls. With your egg wash, you want to put 1 tablespoon of water and mix it. Next, we're going to go ahead and open our puff pastry. You want to get a cookie sheet or a baking pan and place a piece of parchment paper on it. Okay guys, once you have your parchment paper onto your baking sheet and your puff pastry open, you guys want to leave, you can see from here to about here, half of the puff pastry. Then we're going to go along the other half and we're just going to cut down and make strips across. Okay guys, as you can see, on one half I cut the puff pastry down and made strips. Now all we're going to do is take our sauce and we're going to start to put it on. And remember guys, on the ends leave some space on each end and around. So all we're going to do is put our sauce in the center now. Remember, you have to leave space on the ends. I'm going to go straight down to the other end and put all our sauce on. Okay guys, next, after you're done putting your sauce on, we're going to take some of the mozzarella cheese. We're going to sprinkle it right on top like so. And go all the way across. Right on top of your sauce. Next, we're going to go ahead and take our pepperoni and start to layer on top of our cheese. Okay guys, once you layer your pepperoni on, we're going to go back in with our mozzarella cheese. I'm going to go right over top of the pepperoni. Okay guys, once you're done putting your cheese on, now all we're going to do is pull from the back and we're going to begin to fold it over. Okay guys, once you have the back folded over, all you want to do now is go ahead and take the end and fold it in and over top like that. We're going to do that on each side. Once you're done with that, we're going to take the back end and continue to roll it over. Okay guys, as you can see, everything is nicely tucked away in the puff pastry. So now all we're going to do is take our egg wash And we're going to go along the puff pastry, making sure you get along the back side also. And we're going to coat it. I'm going to make sure you coat everything nice and even. Now we're going to take the egg wash and go down and along our strips. Once your puff pastry is coated in the egg wash, all we're going to do is take our strips and we're going to bring them over like so. We're just going to wrap it over. We're going to do this all the way down. Okay guys, once you have your puff pastry wrapped, we're just going to go ahead and again take our egg wash and coat it nice and evenly. Okay guys, you want to put your oven at 350 degrees. And now I'm going to go ahead and place it in there for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, so our puff pastry pepperoni stromboli is done. Look how beautiful it is. It's nice and golden and it's crispy. Came out beautiful. Okay guys, so now I'm going to cut down into it so I can show you what the inside looks like. As you can see, all the pepperoni. Turn this piece around. And you can see all the cheese. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it into pieces. Okay guys, if you also like extra sauce like I do, all you want to do is go ahead and heat up your extra pizza sauce. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.